Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Today we're gonna continue day 2 of my Supra build, and at this stage we are not building anything, we are tearing apart. So let me show you what we got so far. We have torn apart some of the piping, and that wetness that you see there is some BB, some blast, some PV blast. This thing works wonders. So I sprayed about an hour ago. I sprayed again. So I'm gonna go for the manifold, and I'm gonna try to rip the entire manifold with the two turbos together. So I think I'm to that point. Think I need to loosen the clamp over there, and I'm gonna go try for that. Before that, I need to take care of these clamps here, and then the two sensors, and then after that I think I'll be able to get to those bolts, at least the ones on the top. For the bottom, it looks like I need to remove radiator hose. I drained the radiator and in the downpipe, so I might not get to the entire thing. So today I'll probably do the downpipe, try to loosen up some of those bolts to see where we're at with those, that clamp, and that's basically what we're going to do. I'm gonna try to get as much out as possible. And like last video, you guys are gonna get some timelines, me interrupting the timeline here and there, and let's get started. Alright guys, so where we got, I loosened all the bolts on the top. That was easier than I expected. If you're ever doing this, use a bunch of PV blast and use this guy, man. This was like, I don't know, 10-15 bucks. Really rugged. Amazon, works like a champ. I don't know how I'm gonna get it on the bottom ones, but we'll get there. So I got the downpipe disconnected, and I got the two sensors out, and then now we're going to go for that bracket and see if I can get the bottom nuts out, and I think it should come out. I don't know. I have the book for this car, but obviously it's not for a 1J. So right, everybody. So we have all bolts. That took longer than expected for you guys. Didn't take that long, but just going just a little bit at a time, turns wise, that really sucked. And yes, I busted my knuckle there. There's some blood there. All right, guys, that's gonna be for today's episode. That's gonna be it for today's episode. The manifold is almost completely out, but I'm running out of light here. So what I'll do is, off camera, I'm gonna take those bolts out. Next time you guys come and see, we will be ready to take out the entire manifold with the 2 turbos. That's the plan. I am not gonna do anything else off camera except the bolts down there. It's very hard to get to and aim the camera so you guys can see it anyways. So if you've never done one, I'm gonna show you where they're at. So if you've never done one, here's what I'm dealing with. So I got those 6 on the top, that these studs right there that I removed. Well, they are the same on the bottom. So right there. All right, sorry about that. So right there. Right there, you can see there's 1. So there's on the bottom, same amount, and I have like no space to come through the ground. It's a little bit right there, but I don't think I'll be able to see it with the turbo in there, and the brace is there, and I won't be able to come through here. So, and yes, I cannot put sockets on it. This one I can, and that one I can. The old ones I might not be able to. So see how it goes, guys. Wish me luck. Thank you for stopping by. It's been a pleasure. It's been a crazy ride. You guys saw this in probably 10-15 minutes, and it took about 30 minutes of work. I'm sorry the days are gonna be short like this. They're gonna just be short bursts. Once we start getting installation, I might put a bunch of hours to finish the installation faster, but right now I'm still waiting on parts, so it doesn't matter if I go really fast, and I don't have much time to put into the car. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you. Catch you guys later.